Love Esmeralda.
Hi guys! Welcome to my video. My name is Esmeralda. Are you ready? Let's go! Today we're gonna do delicious chocolates of Valentine's Day. The ingredients we're gonna need are chocolate, big marshmallows, tiny marshmallows, and walnuts. This is super easy to make. Let's melt the chocolate first. Okay, let's do it. So heavy. Ask your parents for help or you can't get burnt. The coconut looks chocolate shiny. Let's do it. Get it out of here. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now let's mix it. Chocolate, yummy chocolate. Whoa, it's getting a little bit more brown. It's starting to melt, guys. The chocolate is ready. When it's already melted, let it cool for a few minutes. And it's gonna be all ready. And then we're gonna put it to these heart molds for it, and then we're gonna put sprinkles and everything, and it's so beautiful. Now we're gonna pour the chocolate to the mold of hearts. Let's do it. Oh my god, it just filled a little bit. Just spread it. Spread. Good. I hope you enjoy my video. Now we're going to pour the walnuts, the big marshmallows, and the tiny. Let's do it. First we do 2 of these and we pour them here. And then we put another one and then some walnuts and some walnuts here and some marshmallows with tiny marshmallows and walnuts. Now we're gonna add a little bit more here. Okay. Until you fill it up. Let's go over here. And over here. Good. Cover all the chocolate for no walnuts and no marshmallows can stay up there. There, much better. These chocolates name are Rocky Road. After you're done with all the walnuts and the marshmallows, you put it in the freezer. Let's just get a little bit careful. I think I need my mom's help. Please, Mommy, help me. It's gonna fall. Now, when it's already freeze the chocolates, we're gonna melt these little chocolates. So this one's, I don't know what's color. I think it's pink or I don't know. Pink and white decorations. So let's melt them. Well, once the chocolate is ready, let's put this for the decorations and then we put sprinkles. Now we're gonna put the white one. Like this. Ta-da! Now we're gonna put sprinkles. Here, there, I love a sprinkle. We're just gonna put a little heart here. Like, boop. And just one here. And this is how it goes. Just a little bit more sprinkles. Here, everywhere. And that's how we do Valentine's heart chocolates. Wow, so beautiful. And they look so yummy. I'm gonna eat one. This is the perfect gift for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's! Like and subscribe to my video. Bye! Mwah! Bye, guys! Mwah! I love chocolate. I love chocolate. Yeah, yeah. Oh, crispies. Oh no. That was great.